Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your Norwegian Haven experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Norwegian Joy. This particular category is the Haven Penthouse Suite with balcony. They're side facing and there's quite a few on board here. What I love is the space and of course the access to the Haven itself. Now I'm going to review the amenities and tour the space here in just a moment, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any room or suite with Norwegian, Regent, or Oceania, make sure you reach out to the experts at HarTravel. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with Norwegian, and we know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way. Now, your Haven experience is going to start even before you arrive here on board. Your HarTravel advisor can coordinate with the Haven concierge team, and when you arrive at the pier, you're going to have priority embarkation, and you'll have priority embark and disembark privileges throughout your cruise. Now, one of the biggest amenities is, of course, access to the Haven complex itself. You've got the private pool, it's all temperature controlled, the beautiful courtyard space. You've got seating up above, the incredible forward-facing lounge, the lounge and restaurant, the sundeck, hot tubs, and of course the Haven restaurant. All of that can only be accessed with your Haven key card, which means it's going to be a unique private experience here on board. Now, in addition to that, you're going to have quite a few upgrades in the suite, and I love the idea that you have a butler. You'll have access 24 hours a day. They can do everything from making reservations for you to coordinate in-room dining and really just take the entire experience to another level. Now let's tour this beautiful suite. When you walk in the door to the side, you're going to find your large walk-in closet. Now you've got hanging storage all the way across here. You're going to have shelves for storage, drawers down below. You'll find those extra comfy Haven bathrobes and slippers you can utilize on board. They also have the Haven golf umbrella. Now you're going to find your safe right here. It's perfect size for passport, wallet, or a small tablet. In here you're going to find more storage up and down and more drawers for storage as well. Now, as we head across, you have your makeup room and do not disturb button. I love that you can communicate with your cabin steward. You don't have to put anything outside. And then you're going to want to keep your key card in the power saving device to make sure it's activated at all times. Now you have your first temperature control here, and then as I step inside, you're going to find a really nice sized bathroom. Now you're going to have a large double vanity here, storage underneath. You'll also find those great little touches like a shower poof and those highly upgraded L'Occitane bath amenities. Your plug for a razor is just underneath, and then over here you're going to find a shower tub combo. Now, I've traveled a lot with my family. Having a bathtub is such a great touch, and keep in mind your butler can even draw a bubble bath for you. Now you've got an adjustable shower wand in there, nook for bath amenities, and more of those highly upgraded L'Occitane amenities. Now, as we step into the room, you've got a mirror here to get ready. I always leave my key card there so I don't forget to grab it on the way out. And then you also have a couple hooks for coats. Now, as we step into the living room, bedroom combo, it really opens up. Right in the middle here, you're going to have your large king-size bed. Now, it's a highly upgraded experience. In fact, my wife and I have had some of our best nights sleep on these beds. You've got the upgraded mattresses, linens, and you even have a pillow menu to choose from. Underneath the bed, there's plenty of storage space where you can tuck your large bags away. And then you also have storage on either side with the nightstands. You'll have a Euro plug on one side, a US plug on the other. Now I always bring extra European adapters and converters so I can take advantage of all the plugs in the space. You have lighting controls on either side, a directional reading light, and a really nice touch is underneath the lamps, you're also going to find plugs for USBs so that you can charge your devices overnight. Up on the roof, they even have a really cool light feature that looks like the starry night sky. Now, directly across from your large king-size bed, you're going to have a flat panel TV. It's fully interactive so you can see what's going on throughout the ship in addition to watching television. In the corner, you'll find your vanity. So you have a large backlit mirror, magnifying mirror. You also have a little stool to sit on, and underneath you'll find your hairdryer. You have a US plug that you can use for charging, and then all underneath here, you're going to have plenty of drawers to tuck your things away. Now, I wanted to mention that you have an espresso maker. I start my day at home that way. I love that I can do it here on board. You also have a selection of tea forte to choose from and some bubbly on ice ready to greet you. You have a fully stocked mini fridge underneath, and then all of your glassware, cutlery, and stemware up and down. Now you've got a dining room table right here in the middle, or you can dine out on your balcony, but they'll do white tablecloth service. In fact, you can order from that highly upgraded menu for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and have the Haven restaurant meals delivered right here with that white tablecloth service and dine in your suite. Now, tucked in the corner, you're going to find a love seat. Now, this does convert into a bed. You've got a coffee table in the middle here. It's that perfect place where you can sit, cuddle up, and read a book or relax. Now, let's head out on your private balcony. Now we're out on your private side-facing balcony. You see you have a lounger here where you can grab a book and kick back and relax. You also have 2 chairs and a table to the side. It's that perfect place for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine as you take in the incredible ever-changing ocean views and of course that fresh ocean air. Now when you're ready to make this your home away from home or book any room or suite with Oceania, Regent, or Norwegian Cruise Lines, make sure you reach out to the experts at Hard Travel. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value and get the Hard Travel signature service every step of the way.